already, come on. I know we said we weren't going to do another one, but why not? Well, may as well do no else, are we? Welcome to this week's episode of Bodgit with Davy and Shaun. On this week's episode, we repair this piece of wood here that snapped off last year. And Davy's showing you guys this. Yeah, long story. We won't go into that one today. But what I'm going to attempt to do, out with Davy, I'm going to attempt to bodge this together with this. A piece of pallet that we nicked from, well, who needs to know where we nicked it from? So, we're not bothered, yeah, it's white, that's a dark wood, this is a white wood. We just want to see that we've done a repair, not bothered, it'll do for now. Bodgit and Scarper. And then to fill the plugs, get these. A little nudge. See if this works. One of these.
Ow, my eyeball.
And it's easy as that. What do you right there? What do you right? Happy? Bodgit and Scarper. Now time for the Scarper. I'm now going to hand you over to Davey Bones for the technical side. I know a few of you guys out there wanted a bit of technical knowledge. So I'll pass you over to Davy. Go ahead, Davy. Keep it brief as well. Keep it brief. I know how you like to chat. Sorry, we're hogging your limelight there then. Sorry. Apologies. Carry on.